Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. In Delhi, the monsoon has almost started. Like us, the plants also like rainwater. This is how my mom harvests rainwater. Plants grow greener with rainwater. Nitrate, which is naturally present in the rainwater, is a great source of nitrogen for the plants. Nitrogen is among the top nutrient elements that are required for plant growth. Thus, plants grow greener when they are watered with rainwater. This is a Parijat plant. This plant is also known as Harsinger plant. In Bengali, this is called Chhoti. This plant had plant chlorosis, and now look at our plants. This looks so green. Previously, my mom has made a video about how to treat plant chlorosis, so you can watch that video. Today I will tell you how to take care of your plant in this rainy season to make it bushy and healthy. It will also help you to get flowers. Look carefully what my mom is doing. She is pinching out the leaves in every branch. Remember, my mom is only cutting the new leaves of every branch. This Harsinger plant has been blooming flowers in this small pot. Did you know that Harsinger is a heavy feeder plant? So it needs fertilizer. But in this rainy season, my mom avoids giving it too much fertilizer. Only once in a month, she is giving this plant kitchen waste compost. While pinching, my mom is also removing all the dry leaves, dry stems, etc. If you look at a few leaves of a plant, then you can notice that they are still suffering from plant chlorosis. So my mom only gives blood meal fertilizer. Okay, so now let's start about this blood meal fertilizer. If you have fish or meat at home, then wash it with water. And the water you get is known as the blood meal. And you can use this water in your plants. You can give it to your plant because it is rich with iron. And did you know that a plant which has plant chlorosis needs this iron? As it is the monsoon season, my mom is not gonna directly give it to the soil. So instead, she is going to use a sprayer and spray it to the plant. We have already uploaded a video about plant chlorosis, so you can watch that video. Previously, we have also uploaded about a Harsinger plant care, so you can also watch that video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.